Good morning and welcome to today's class. Today we have to take a new topic of the semiconductor, that is LDR, that is what we call LED, light emitting diode, photodiode and photo cell, uh, solar cell, sorry. Now here they are different types of actually junction diodes. We have already discussed the basic function of junction diode, like we have discussed something related to rectifier, half wave, full wave, etc. Okay, and which are very much useful in power supply unit as well as stabilizer, which is used in homes. Let us take different types of PN junction diode. Okay, and in this regard, the first thing which we have to discuss is your light, that is photodiode. First, we discuss photodiode. A symbol is like this. Okay, or you can even take it rather upward. You will get a very angle, this light. It means from the symbol itself, but it's clear that this can operate only once a certain light is emitted on some type of devices, some type of PN junction. Ordinary PN junction, they are widely used in electronic circuits, especially rectifier part or amplifier part, etc. Even in other parts like oscillators and other devices, amplifier. There are several units of the circuits where we use the ordinary diode. But now we have to discuss the we have to discuss a photodiode, a totally different type of diode, which can work only under the action of certain light. It can work only under the influence of incident light. That means it is just like an ordinary diode, but which can work only when light is incident on it. It can work only under the influence of incident light. This is point number one. It is it is an ordinary PN junction diode made up of photosensitive semiconductor. Sometimes what happens, some photosensitive semiconductors are coated on ordinary PN junction, and so that by means of certain glass window, light is allowed. It is an ordinary PN junction diode made up of photosensitive semiconductor. Okay, and number three, it can work on reverse bias mode. it can work on reverse bias mode. These are the three factors which are very important for photo diode. Okay. Photodiode work as it is very similar to that of LDR, light detecting resistance, and here also this can be used as a switch off on switch, or maybe to detect the presence of light in any particular place. We use such a device, that is photodiode. I can show you some experiment also, so that which can make you the certain thing. The best thing which we have observed, that it can work on the reverse bias mode, okay, and it can work under the influence of incident light. It is an ordinary PN junction. Ordinary PN junction तो जैसे PN junction बनता है वैसे ये भी junction है, लेकिन जो फोटो सेंसिटिव मटेरियल का कोटिंग होता है और फोटो सेंसिटिव कंडक्टर से बनता है, सेमी कंडक्टर से बनता है. These are the points, okay. And other points which are also very relevant, that is light, photons are incident on the junction. पीएन जंक्शन पर लाइट इंसिडेंट होता है तभी ये वर्क करता है. इट कैन वर्क ओनली when light photons are incident on the junction of PN junction diode. Okay, these are the 4 points, and if we have the fifth point, what is fifth point? This was the symbol, not first point. What is fifth point? When the energy of incident light is greater than the gap energy of semiconductor, then only it works. तो ये आप देखिए पांचवा पॉइंट भी आप देखिए क्या लिखा हुआ है. When the energy of incident light is greater than the gap energy, the forbidden gap of semiconductor, then only it works. ठीक है, ये आपका मेन आपके पांच अलग अलग पॉइंट्स दे रखा है. और साथ ही साथ ये भी इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि इट कैन चेंज the current generated by such photodiode can increase with the increase in intensity of light. Okay, and let us take the working, how it works, and circuit is there. As the diagram implies that there is always some incoming light to the junction. That is, the light comes to the junction and then operation takes place. In the absence of junction, very few, very small, in the absence of incident light, the the junction, PN junction produces very small current across a resistance connected in series with it. This current is called dark current. आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें क्या होता है कि जब लाइट इंसिडेंट लाइट नहीं आता है और आप यूज कर रहे हैं फोटो डायोड, तो क्या है, एक ऑर्डिनरी डायोड की तरह काम करता है, बहुत छोटा सा बहुत कम एक रिवर्स करंट निकालेगा। इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ incident light, the PN junction produces a very small current. This is reverse current, of course, very small current. Small current is produced across the resistance. Across the resistance connected in series with it. जैसे आपको दिख रहा है सर्किट में एक माइक्रो एमीटर लगा रखा है, क्योंकि करंट इतना कम होता है कि माइक्रो एमीटर में वो काम होता है। बट when light photons energy h nu is greater than gap energy is incident, then uh, greater reverse current can be produced. ये पहला पॉइंट था और ये दूसरा पॉइंट। ये वर्किंग में भी पॉइंट वाइज करेंगे तो आपको याद रहेगा। फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है कि इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ पीएन जंक्शन, in the absence of incident light, PN junction can produce only a very feeble current, reverse current, and that current can flow through the resistance R. Okay, and here we have a microammeter. That microammeter can give very few microampere, say 0.3 microampere, 0.4 microampere, like this, very few. Okay, and in the presence of light, in the presence of light photons, when E equal to h nu, and h nu is greater than gap energy, Eg means gap energy, incident, the greater reverse current can be produced, उस समय greater reverse current produce होता है। ये तो पॉइंट नंबर 2 है। एंड with the change of intensity of incident light, the reverse current changes. Reverse current changes, इसमें रिवर्स करंट में चेंजेस आता है। जैसे जैसे आप देखिएगा कि ये आपके इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाते जाते हैं तो रिवर्स करंट भी बढ़ता जाता है। ये आपको ध्यान रखने वाली चीज है। ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू नो। हाउ द ग्राफ इज ड्रॉन, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कर्व, how the graph is drawn, that I am just drawing here. This is current milliampere, this is microampere. see there are different intensity. This is I1, this is I2, this is I3, I4, etc. And here we have the current. This is your voltage, reverse voltage. Okay, and we can see that with the increase of current, I1 is less than I2 is less than I3, and I4 is greatest. Okay, and what we observe with the increase of intensity, larger current is flow. Larger current is bound to flow, and this is what the characteristic of this photodiode. ये photodiode का characteristic होता है कि जैसे जैसे इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाते जाएंगे और ये होता जाएगा, करंट आपको ज़्यादा आउटपुट में दिखेगा। क्लियर? अच्छा, एक चीज ध्यान रखने वाली चीज है, ये जो एनर्जी है जो ईएमएफ दे रखे हैं यहाँ पर, ईएमएफ ईबी, दिस ईबी मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन, सॉरी मस्ट बी लेस देन, इसमें जो भी इसका ईएमएफ होगा दैट मस्ट बी लेस देन द ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज। ईबी मस्ट बी लेस देन ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज। अगर ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज मान लीजिए 1.6 वोल्ट है तो 1.6 से कम वोल्टेज यहाँ पर रखते ताकि ताकि यू कैन डिटरमाइन द करंट। अदरवाइज पहले ब्रेकडाउन हो जाएगा, करंट शूटअप कर जाएगा तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं होगा। देयर इज नो वर्क, दिस इज विजिबल इन ऑर्डिनरी जंक्शन डायोड टाइप सिचुएशन, रिवर्स बायस सिस्टम। बट हियर रिवर्स बायस में भी काम करेगा, नंबर वन। नंबर टू, इसमें क्या कि लाइट गिरने से ही काम होगा। लाइट का जो फोटोन का जो एनर्जी होगा उस हर फोटोन के एनर्जी जो है इसके गैप एनर्जी से ज़्यादा होता है, जिसके कारण कि अलग से इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, इलेक्ट्रॉन होल पेयर प्रोड्यूस होता है। एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन होल प्रोड्यूस होने से आपको करंट पास होगा आउटपुट सर्किट में, लाइक दिस। ओके, दिस इज द जनरल थिंग। वेल, आफ्टर दिस थिंग वी हैव टू सी व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ दिस। Well, now when we see what are the uses, they are basically four main uses. The detection of, first one is detection of optical optical signal. Number two, in the demodulation of optical signal, in light operated switches, in electronic counters. Always remember the working of this photodiode is same as, almost same as, it is very identical to that of your LDR, the light detecting resistance. Okay, I am just showing you one such experiment. You can just see this is the light detecting resistance. This is light detecting resistance. Okay, and this is highly useful. This is highly useful in the detection of light, whether presence of light is there or not, and it is used in security purpose also. It is almost, it has similar function as that of your photodiode. Let us see. I am just having this security system circuit. I am just switching it on. Some light is glowing, you can see this is the light source. In fact, it is a laser source, and here one LDR is fitted, and there is nothing in between. But if I put my finger in the path, some sound is created. Why? Because the light is no longer falling on the LDR, and so that the circuit is broken and other circuit switch on, which is connected to the buzzer, and due to which sound is eruptive like this. Okay, and if I just change the position of LDR, now it will keep on doing this because it is not getting the light. LDR is not getting the light. You can see if I change the position of LDR or photodiode, what we call, then what happens? It is not getting this. Then it is circuit is broken, and therefore the buzzer is giving the sound like this. But once I make it down and it is directly that is placed directly in front of the light source, then it is totally getting the light and circuit is on, and there is no buzzer because there is no cutoff. But once I put any obstacle, then it is the it is the case of sound which is produced, and in that way we have demonstrated the working of LDR, and after working of LDR is similar to that of your photodiode. Next we discuss two and other important things, that is light emitting diode and solar cell. Well, as the name implies, that is, we call it as a light emitting diode. जो ऐसा डायोड जो लाइट प्रोड्यूस करता है, लाइट एमिट करता है. हर डायोड एक्चुअली लाइट एमिट करता है, लेकिन उनको दिखता नहीं है. जो जिसमें लाइट दिखता है, इसको मतलब विजिबल लाइट मिलने वाला डायोड. तो अगर सेमीकंडक्टर को जो हम लोग बनाते हैं, इफ वी मेक द सेमीकंडक्टर बाय मींस ऑफ सर्टेन मटेरियल लाइक गैलियम आर्सेनाइड और इंडियम फॉस्फाइड और गैलियम आर्सेनाइड फॉस्फाइड, इस टाइप के कुछ मिक्स सेमीकंडक्टर से जब हम लोग पीएन जंक्शन डायोड बनाते हैं, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, it is found that during the working of PN junction in forward bias, suppose we are having this forward bias PN junction, a whole majority area is there and electron majority area is there, and beta is connected to this and it is connected to this. This positive sign can push the holes towards this N region, and this negative sign can push the electron towards the P region. With the effect of which there will be some recombination of electron and holes. कुछ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन होता है. जैसे न्यूट्रलाइजेशन होगा, देर इज ऑलवेज सम एनर्जी फोटोन दैट इज रिलीज, and if that energy photon is having some visible light range, then those light can be visible. Okay, let us take some important points about the working of PN, this light emitting diode or LED. Number one, that is the it can work in the on the principle of forward bias circuit. Let us take them separately. It can operate in forward bias mode. Okay. Number two is it is a heavily doped PN junction diode made up of semiconductor like gallium arsenide phosphide or gallium arsenide or indium phosphide, and every one, all the three example what we have given, they have a gap energy between 1.8 electron volt to 3 electron volt. 1.8 मिनिमम है, उससे कम होगा तो कभी भी जो है आपका विजिबल लाइट नहीं मिलेगा, और अगर 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट से ज़्यादा हो, then also we will never get any visible light. This is very important thing. The visible range is 1.8 electron volt to 3 electron volt. ये गैलियम आर्सेनिक फॉस्फाइड का जो गैप एनर्जी होता है, it is around 1.9 electron volt. That is why this is the most suitable thing for making the functioning of this light emitting diode. Third point क्या है, it converts the biasing electrical energy into optical energy. ये बायसिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इनटू ऑप्टिकल एनर्जी क्या मतलब है? जैसे मैंने कहा कि इन फॉरवर्ड बायस सर्किट लाइक दिस व्हाट हैपन, हेवली डोप मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें इम्प्योरिटीज है नेचुरली. तो पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर्स में होल्स विल बी पुश्ड टू द एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर. Similarly, electrons are pushed towards the p-type semiconductor, and when they move in each other's place during the exchange of charge carriers, there will be some recombination of electron and holes. Recombination of electrons and holes can produce some energy photon of visible range. ये ऑर्डिनरी पीएन जंक्शन में भी होता है, बट एवरीवेयर विजिबल रेंज में नहीं आता है. ये लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड में ही, एलईडी में ही केवल यूज होता है, एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग and everyday world you can see how LED commonly visible. This is just an ordinary LED. You can see that if it is placed, one leg is long, little bit longer than other leg. A longer one is P type and shorter one is your N type. It is your yes N type semiconductor. It is P type longer one. Shorter one is N type semiconductor. Suppose we are having one battery, we are having some battery, and I am suppose connecting the longer one with positive terminal, and shorter one with negative terminal. You can see it glows. That means it is definitely in forward bias mode, because P type is connected to positive is connected to P type, and negative is connected to N type, and then it gives the light. And remember that the light depends, the light emitted by this can depend on the band gap or bandwidth of the light incident, sorry, of the semiconductor, whatever is there. जिस रेंज का सेमीकंडक्टर बनता है, इनके जो कलर निकलता है वो भी डिपेंड करता है कि गैप एनर्जी कितना है, और इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. इसका यूज़ क्या है डेली लाइफ में? दैट इज़ वेरी कॉमन. Its practical use is very simple. That is, you know that in everyday world, this is used in indicators. This can be used in giving you the one side direction of flow. This can be used as a detector. When some current flows, then it detects the light, and it glows naturally. Current is present there, and at the same time it is nowadays used in different things like in mobile as well as television screen. And LED bulb has very important role to play in day-to-day life. It can consume much less power than incandescent bulb, and it gives better light also, with a less efficiency, with a less consumption of power. After that, we will take the next one, that is called our solar cell. Now next we discuss the solar cell. तो सोलर सेल कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो उसमें कि फॉरवर्ड बायस रिवर्स बायस वाला मामला है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सोलर सेल आजकल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप यू कैन सी दैट nowadays in rural electricity we use solar panels, and in various industries and various cities are lighted by means of solar cells and solar panels. And all the solar panels have one thing common, that is a solar cell. The solar cell क्या है? This is simply a PN junction, but it is just not an ordinary PN junction. But this is in fact made of certain specific material. Mostly gallium arsenide is very important material, or simply we can have N-type doping, N-type silicon and P-type silicon. Simple silicon base में भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. But basic thing is that there is a difference between the thickness of N-type and P-type. N-type is very thin, a very thin layer of N-type around zero point 0.3 micron. That is in fact placed over, or that is fitted over a P-type semiconductor of much thicker diameter, of much thicker thickness, and it is around 300 micron. Okay, and they are in fact, this is the PN junction. In PN junction, it is constructed in such a way that P-type layer is very thin and L-type layer is very thick. P-type layer is very thick and N-type layer is very thin. N बहुत पतला होता है, P थोड़ा मोटा होता है. ये तो बिल्कुल क्लियर है. सन रेज को अलाउ करते आपके सीधा पीएन जंक्शन में जाने के लिए, क्योंकि इतना थिन लेयर है, तो एन टाइप के ऊपर ही जो पतला मेटेलिक स्टेप होता है उसमें उसको तो कॉन्टैक्ट के लिए यूज करते हैं. बट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ गॉड ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ द एरिया इज एम्प्टी एंड जस्ट टू कैप्चर द सनलाइट. तो सनलाइट को कैप्चर करते एंड दैट को डायरेक्टली ट्रांसफर टू द पीएन जंक्शन. तो पीएन जंक्शन में क्या हो जाएगा, देयर विल बी सम एक्साइटमेंट इन द कंडक्शन बैंड, सॉरी इन द वैलेंस बैंड. विद दैट देयर विल बी सम फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होल पेयर्स, और इलेक्ट्रॉन होल पेयर जो बन जाएंगे, और इसमें क्या हो जाएगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर सेपरेटेड टू n type region and p type and the holes are separated to p type region. तो ये तो हो जाएगा सिस्टम. And then there will be a collection of holes at one metallic bar and a collection of electron at other metallic bar, and if two metallic bars are connected to output circuit, we can very easily get the effect of electricity. जो ये चार्ज सोलर सेल है वो डिस्चार्ज होता कैसे, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देकर. सड़कों में जो दिन में सोलर सेल बैटरी चार्ज कर जाते हैं सनलाइट से, एंड इन द इवनिंग दे गिव द लाइट टू द इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस to function. Okay, let us see how it functions. This is a solar cell design. Now this is, you can see n-type semiconductor is very thin. This is simply silicon, n-type silicon, and this is p-type silicon. Okay, naturally it has some metallic fingers. ये metallic fingers कहते हैं, braid कह सकते हैं या metallic strips कह सकते हैं. Only कुछ कुछ portion में ये रहता है, सारे में नहीं रहेगा. और major part of the n-type is totally exposed to sun. वो exposed to sun. इसको हम लोग एक प्लास्टिक कवर जरूर चढ़ा देते हैं, सो दैट वी कैन नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय द सेमीकंडक्टर्स देयर. ओके, एक पतला सा ट्रांसपेरेंट कवर दे देते हैं, बट सनलाइट इज अलाउड टू पास थ्रू इट एंड इट कैन डायरेक्टली कम टू दिस पी टाइप. नाउ पॉइंट वाइज, it is a PN junction diode made up of silicon or gallium arsenide. First point इसमें ये हो गया. Okay. Second one is, it is a thin layer of 0.3 micron of N-type semiconductor is grown on one side of thick P-type semiconductor. Thickness of P-type semiconductor is around 300 micron. You can see micrometer is micron. On the top of N-type semiconductor, N-type Si, a metal finger is attached. एक metal finger को वहाँ fix कर देते हैं, जो कि contact बनाने के लिए ये contact बनाता है, एक ये contact बनाता है, दो metal दोनों side में लगाते हैं. Okay. The bottom of P-type semiconductor is fitted with a metallic band. This second contact, and this is first contact with this one. This metal finger is attached to make it a contact. It makes an electrical contact. Electrical contact. ये मेटल कंडक्ट क्यों लगाते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉन्टैक्ट के लिए. यहाँ पर जगह कम है, तो वी हैव टू रिमूव दैट. बट बेसिक थिंग क्या है कि ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द एंड सिलिकॉन अ मेटल फिंगर इज अटैच्ड टू मेक इट अ कॉन्टैक्ट. टू मेक इट अ कॉन्टैक्ट. कॉन्टैक्ट मतलब आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड में और सर्किट में जोड़ने के लिए काम आएगा. The bottom of the p-type semiconductor, but the bottom of p-type semiconductor is fitted with metallic back. एक metallic back होता है, ये metallic contact है, this second contact. Third one is, the current is generated by means of generation, separation and collection. ये बहुत important है. Current is generated by means of generation, then separation and collection. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था, जनरेशन का मतलब क्या हो जाएगा कि whenever sunlight or any energy h nu is greater than gap energy, तो क्या हो जाएगा कि there will always be some excitement that take place in the valence band of semiconductor, and with the effect of this some electron hole pairs are produced due to the light, due to the incident light. Electron hole pairs are produced. ये हो जाएगा जनरेशन. This is counted as generation of charge carrier. Number 2, what happened? They are next one is separation. Electrons are separated to n region and poles are separated to p region. ये हो जाएगा सेपरेशन. दिस इज द सेकंड पार्ट. जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये तीन पार्ट से मिलकर बनता है, एक जनरेशन, सेपरेशन एंड देन इज कलेक्शन. एंड थर्ड वन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर कलेक्टेड at metal fingers top, ये top में होता है, and poles are collected at the bottom contact. तो ये आप देखिए, इसमें खास बात क्या है कि जैसे मैंने कहा तीन चीज से ये पूरा वर्किंग इसमें फंक्शन करता है, जनरेशन, सेपरेशन एंड कलेक्शन. तो ड्यू टू द एनर्जी ऑफ इंसिडेंट लाइट व्हिच इज greater than gap energy, excitement takes place in the valence band, and so the electron hole pairs are produced. This is production or generation. Number two, electrons are separated towards the this portion, that is n-type semiconductor, and holes are collected. Holes are there in this part, that is separated to p region. अब ये कलेक्ट हो जाते हैं. इसके बाद कलेक्ट क्या हो जाएगा, सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन एक एक करके यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, इसको इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव बना देगा, सारे होल्स यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. तो एक जगह इलेक्ट्रो पॉजिटिव, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव और इलेक्ट्रो पॉजिटिव है, तो एक बैटरी की तरह काम हो गया, सेल की तरह काम हो गया, तो सोलर सेल बन गया. एंड दिस कुड बी कनेक्टेड टू एनी रेजिस्टेंस और एनी अदर सर्किट विच कैन गिव यू द लाइट. Okay, we have already said what are the important application that is basically used in rural electricity, and also it can be used in computer, calculator, etc. And rest of the thing they are already given in the book, and most of the thing I have already explained. There is no extra thing. With that, we have completed today's lecture, and we have also completed the last chapter, semiconductor.